Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Tiger Tally in Black Myth, Wukong. The Tiger Tally isn't a cosmetic skin, but a valuable curio item that significantly enhances your combat abilities. It provides a temporary attack increase after you land successful light attack combos, making it a key asset for many challenging encounters. Understanding its benefits and how to acquire it will greatly improve your gameplay. To begin your quest for the Tiger Tally, you first need to unlock the hidden kingdom of Sahali. This secret area is accessible after successfully completing the Drunken Boar quest. During this quest, you'll gather 3 specific items: the Sobering Stone, a Jade Lotus, and an Arhat gold piece. Once these prerequisites are met, the path to Sahali and your curio will open up. Once inside the Kingdom of Sahali, your main challenge will be defeating the Tiger Vanguard. This boss is a formidable opponent, so come prepared for a tough fight. Focus on learning its attack patterns, utilizing your dodges, and unleashing your most powerful abilities at opportune moments. Overcoming the Tiger Vanguard is the direct path to claiming the Tiger Tally Curio for yourself. With the Tiger Tally equipped, you'll notice a significant boost to your attack power after landing light attack combos. This moderate increase in damage for a short duration can turn the tide in difficult battles, making it a highly valuable curio for any build. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals to enhance your gaming experience and comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.